Let's say this property makes $1,000 a month in rental income. And after your mortgage, after your debt capital from the credit cards, after taxes, insurance, etc., you make $150. That is your net operating income. But here's the thing. You have a property that is worth $100,000. Let me say that again. Even though your net operating income is $150 a month, you have a property that is worth $100,000 that will appreciate in value. Imagine if you bought one every quarter. You have a net worth of at least $500,000 in 1 year. Let me say that again. If you bought one property every quarter, you have at least $500,000 net worth that you can borrow against.